Hey, I've been struggling with remembering English words and their meanings. It's getting frustrating.
Oh no, that sounds tough. Don't worry, we can work on improving your memory for English words. Have you tried any specific techniques so far?
Well, I've tried flashcards, but they don't seem to stick. I forget the meanings after a while.
I get it. Maybe you could try associating the words with something familiar or creating mnemonic devices. It helps to connect new information with what you already know.
Mnemonic devices? Can you give me an example?
Sure. Let's say you're trying to remember the word ephemeral, which means lasting for a very short time. You could associate it with the phrase ephemeral moments, thinking about brief and fleeting experiences.
That sounds interesting. I'll definitely try. Any other advice?
Absolutely. You could also try using the words in sentences or stories. Create a context that makes sense to you. It'll help you remember not only the word, but also how to use it.
Good idea. I guess I need to make learning more engaging. What about using apps or games?
Oh, that's a fantastic suggestion. There are various apps designed specifically for improving vocabulary. They often make learning fun and interactive. You might find one that suits your style.
I hadn't thought of that. I'll check them out. Thanks for the suggestions.
No problem. Also, consider joining language exchange groups or practicing with native speakers. Real-life conversations can reinforce your memory and make the words more memorable.
That makes sense. I'll try incorporating these techniques and see how it goes.
You got this.
Thanks for the encouragement. I'll definitely try this and keep you updated on my progress.
Good plan. And don't forget to make learning a part of your daily routine. Consistency is key when it comes to building a strong vocabulary.
True. I need to be more disciplined about it. By the way, how did you improve your vocabulary?
Well, besides using similar techniques like mnemonics and context-based learning, I also made it a point to read regularly. Reading exposes you to a wide range of words in different contexts, which helps reinforce their meanings.
Reading. Huh? I've never been much of a reader, but I guess I can give it a try. Any specific type of material you recommend?
It doesn't have to be anything complicated. Start with articles, short stories, or even books in genres you enjoy. The key is to expose yourself to diverse vocabulary in a way that keeps you engaged.
That makes sense. I'll pick up a book and give it a shot. Hopefully, that will make a difference.
Great. And don't hesitate to use a dictionary while you read. Looking up words and understanding their usage in context can be a powerful learning tool.
I'll keep that in mind. Thanks a bunch for all these suggestions. I feel more motivated to tackle this now.
Anytime. Remember, learning a language is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your progress along the way, and don't be too hard on yourself. You'll get there.
I'll do my best.
You know what? I've been working on a special video for my Lingo.Academy channel, specifically for remembering words easily. I'll be sharing some of the techniques we discussed and more.
That sounds great. When can I expect the video to be up?
I'm planning to release it in coming days. But to make sure you don't miss it, you should subscribe to Lingo.Academy and hit the bell icon for notifications. That way, you'll get updated as soon as the video is live.
Absolutely. I'll do that. I'm looking forward to learning more from your video.
Awesome. I appreciate your support. And hey, to all our viewers out there, if you're interested in improving your English and mastering new words, don't forget to subscribe to Lingo.Academy and hit that bell icon for timely updates.
Definitely. Your channel has been a game changer for my language learning journey, and I'm sure others will benefit too.
Thanks a lot. I'm here to help, and I'm excited to share more valuable content with everyone. Stay tuned for the upcoming video on remembering words easily.